in a hammock, chilling over a waterfall. Who does? If you're ever in Georgia, it's a good ride off of Interstate 10, fam. But that is what your children are doing. You can't even see what we're doing. Oh, you got it too. Oh. You can't even see. You heard all that ding, ding, ding. That's 190 spins so far. Whoa. Yeah, I'm gonna let it spin. Then we'll try to stop. 200 spins. What you got?
25 bucks.
25 bucks. Oh, we might want to pay for the trip.
Two, three, go. Okay, what you guys gonna do? Swing. Okay, swing. Nolan, what kind of swing? Are you gonna stand up? All right, that's a little dangerous. All right, Nolan, be careful.
All right, fam, we're in the town of Matthews, North Carolina, which is about 15 miles from my daughter. This is where she used to live. So we're going to go over here. We're at Squirrel Lake Park. So we're going to walk over here and look at this pond and see if it looks fishy before we commit to a fishing license. Fishing rules: channel catfish, creel limit 6 catfish per day. Fishing tackle loaner program, federal aid project funded by your purchase of fishing equipment and motorboat fuels. I wonder if there's a license required. Interesting. Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
All right. I wonder if you have that but license to fish out here. I'm from Louisiana.
You know, I do have a fishing license. I've fished here with my son and checked, but I think technically you do. But
All right.
you ready?
Hi. How you doing? All right, the lady just informed me their computer system is down. They do not sell license. So that's gooutdoorsnc.com.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
You can either say NC or
North Carolina. Thank you. All right.
If it comes up, it may come up GoDaddy. Do not go to that one.
GoDaddy?
Yeah.
That's insurance, I think, huh?
It'll come up that sometimes, but don't go to that.
Okay, all right, thank you. Thank you.
It'll have a green border background.
All right. Hey, I had a question earlier. I was in here. So those are on sale, but there's no tag or anything on them.
These?
Right.
No, these aren't.
They're not on clearance?
Let me put this as nice way as I can. Somebody was too lazy to finish
To
their
put
job.
it by. Gotcha.
And
that ain't
so
you.
they just slung it.
I know. I knew youngsters probably.
So as nicely as I could say it.
Hey, I got you. You preaching to the choir. $33 for 10-day fishing license. Everybody's gonna go on the dock and fish out front. Why not try it right here on the under the dock? All right, now, all right, fam, check this out. And this is super, super simple. Boom. Got hooks, got weights, small weights, and 4 bobbers. And that should get us through any fishing session. The only thing we don't have is pliers. So if we need pliers, it's gonna be a bit of an issue. But we're gonna find some miniature pliers to go with this set, and it's gonna be a full hookup. All right. How you doing?
Hey, good, how are you?
Wonderful. Ooh, this thing floats, man. I should have brought a bell too. That gentleman brought a bell. It's a good idea. He's here for the long haul. You fished out here before? Yep. Had some luck?
When it's hotter,
All right.
there's a lot of channel catfish in here.
All right.
I don't think they're liking the cold right now. It's not quite warm enough yet.
I feel you. All right. All right, good morning, YouTube fam. We're in Pineville, North Carolina. This part was recommended to us by a person we saw at our last location, so we thought we'd come down and give it a try. But fam, it is cold, it is windy, and conditions are not good for fishing. But at least we're here. We paid our $33, so we're gonna give it a shot. There's a lot of rocks down here, so I don't know how far out we gotta cast, but we're gonna give it a shot and we're gonna work our way around. See, there's a gentleman down there that's launching a remote controlled boat. So he's gonna do his thing and we're gonna do ours. All right, fam, y'all stay tuned. This might be a good one. Oh, by the way, fam, this is our setup today. This is the simplest setup I've ever put together. You may have already seen this in a previous video, but this is my tackle box, and I can travel super light now. And fam, guess what me and Lady Red found last night at Walmart? I didn't have pliers that I could use to put my weights on and to cut stuff. Fam, is that not the most miniature setup you've ever seen? We got 4 bobbers, we got our pliers, we got weights, we got hooks in the bag, everything we freaking need to fish with, fam, for pad fish. So there you have it. We got our chair, we throw that up over our shoulder, and we got our worms and some, we found these mealworms at Walmart last night. So we got everything we need, fam. So without further ado, let's get going. Good morning, YouTube fam. We're still in North Carolina, day 4 or 5, and we're at Francis J. Beatty Park, right outside of Indian This is Indian Trail, North Carolina. So fam, this park, it's about 10 miles from my daughter's home, and it is beautiful out here. So we're gonna go back here on the other side of this gate. We're gonna walk through, and I think this is public fishing. I think the gate's just so people don't take, I guess, golf carts and stuff through there. So we're gonna take this simple little setup we got and our simple little fishing kit, and we're gonna go over here and see if maybe we can pull one out, fam. This is our fourth pond since we've been here, and we have yet to catch a fish in the Carolinas. All right, fam, let's go do this. Bam. Somebody's toying with us. Bam, did we get him? I think we got our first North Carolina fish. Our first North Carolina fish, man. Boom. Got him. Whoo. It's been a long time coming. Our first North Carolina fish. Boy, he's clean. I thought it was gonna be a catfish, and he's cold. Whoa. Bam. Calm down. Calm down. You're getting all dirty for your photo shoot. God dang, he's slippery. Let's mouth him. All right, fam. Getting all dirty for his photo shoot. All right, where's my phone? Told the family I would send them a picture of my first Carolina fish. We finally got him. Cheese. Bam. Whoa, my second Carolina fish. Yes, sir. Oh, I might need to move to that corner. Might need to move to the corner of Arizona. Bam, my second Carolina fish. Let's get a picture with that dude. Calm down. Calm down. My second Carolina fish. 5 minutes. Whoa, oh, are we trying to get our third one? Hold on. Let's get a let's get a picture with you. Number 2. Is my line moving, y'all? Hold on. Hold on. Might have a customer. Let's toss you out here. Let you sit. See if we got a customer. I feel you. Fam, don't tell me. Number 3, oh, it feels small, small, small. Fam, we went from 3 days of nothing to 3 fish in 5 minutes. I love it when a plan comes together. Boom, number 3. There he is, fam. It only takes one good hit to change your whole attitude. It's a beautiful thing. All right, fam. Let's put another fat, juicy worm on here. Get it back out there so we get number 4 in the boat. We having fun now. Our last day, our next to last day in the Carolinas. We're leaving at 12 o'clock tomorrow morning. So this is actually our last day to fish, and it's paying off. Finally. Let's get this out here. Back out on that corner. Found them, baby. All right. On the bottom. All right. All right, fam, we're about to run out of GoPro. So what we're gonna do is, when we get to the end of this GoPro, the SD card, we're gonna go up to the truck, cook up some breakfast, reload, rest up for a few minutes, and come back and see if we put a few more in the boat. And then we're gonna go spend the rest of this next to last day with the family. Perfect cast. There's a rock bank right down here, fam. Y'all can see the rocks. I think we're right on the edge of that rock bank. And there may be a drop off out there as well. We're gonna just watch that line right here and see what happens. And we're gonna watch that bobber right here. I'm doing great, and you, sir?
Excellent, excellent. Those wouldn't happen to be your folding chairs over there, would they?
No, I don't know who though. They were here when I got here.
All right, I'm just gonna close them up, get them off.
All righty. Yeah, I thought somebody was coming back to use them, but no one showed up.
If you want them, you can have them. I'm just gonna set them by the track.
All right, all right. Bam. I'm getting a bite at the same time on both rigs. Whoa! He got off. Yep. All right. No, you look great. Look. All right, that's right.
Let me take this so she can
Look at those twins, y'all.
something, do something, pose or something.
All right, she still got it.
She got it.
All right,
She-
yep.
Roselle, be careful,
Whoa.
lady, be careful.
Whatever. And who always falls?
Hi.
Whatever. I love you again.
Thank you.
We'll call you as soon as we land.
Okay.
All right.
Georgia?
We'll call you when we land in Georgia, and then after that, We're gonna do probably 5 hours the next day, and then Sunday we'll land at home.
Okay.
All right? Bye, buddy. It was a pleasure. Oh, shit. That was my fault. I put it next to the door. It ain't hurt nothing. You good? Tanya, you good? I put it next to the door. That was my bad. Yeah. You can go say bye again.
I'm gonna go say bye.
Just stand it up.
Like this?
I was standing up straight, but yeah. Go to Walmart, gas up, and you go down the road with fun.
So that's where it worked. That's where you would have, yeah.
And I put the table back there behind the chair. Then
So
I
you
put
had
the
a table and 2 chairs up under the bed.
yeah,
Oh,
yeah, way too much. I felt like I was sleeping on a rock. I know, because it was on my side.
How's that whole chair only on your side?
I don't know. It was a little bit on your side. I don't know how you were feeling it. But it was. I guess I had the part that was raised on my side.
Yeah, probably was all the driving yesterday. I was tired.
And they drove me crazy, dog.
I didn't drive me crazy. I tried to do my wobble when I would talk to you on my Sudoku. Let you listen to your horrible stuff that you like to listen to. And it's a 2-way or 1-way.
I think we got to go around and get back on the interstate.
To go to Walmart?
No. The inner Walmart, we probably got to go back to that back road.
Yeah, it's
Yep.
no, it's a 2-way. So we can just go out and go into Walmart.
All right. Sounds good.